Students, good morning to you all and welcome to social science class. In last class, we have seen Kurinji land up to. In today's class, we are going to see Mullai land. Take page number 139. Look at that forest, Mullai land. Okay, forest means Mullai land. A large area covered by trees is called forest. Forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of rich soil. Okay ma, what they have said? Large area of tree covered means that is known as forest. That forest referred as Mullai land. Okay va, it has another name that is Sembulam. Okay va ma. Now look at first one, the theme. Okay va, God or Kurunji, likewise we have seen no. God, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird, musical instrument. For likewise also Mullai also there. That one we going to see. It is different from Kurunji. God, Thirumal. Okay va, people, Idayar, Idachiyar, Ayar, Achiyar. Okay va ma. These only people name. Occupation, cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets. That means they rear up cattle, they grow up cattle. Gathering fruits means they collect fruits. Sowing millets means they plant millet variety. Okay va. Next flower, plant, Gova, Mullai flower. Okay va. Animal, bird, bear, rabbit, parrot. Musical instrument, Mullayal. Okay Vamma. Now we move on to page number 140. See, in picture they have given see God, Thirumal, cattle rearing, sowing millets. Next, Mullai flower, rabbit, parrot. In picture they have seen no, shown see. Next, second one, the people and their occupation. Okay, va, people name we have seen no. Idayar. Idayar means milk seller. They sell milk. Ayar means cattle rearer. They grow up cattle. Okay, va. Next, third one, the soil of Mullai land. The land of Mullai has a rich soil with stones and pebbles. Okay, va. The Mullai land soil is red in color with stones and pebbles. Okay, va. Kulangal, that is pebbles. Forest in Tamil Nadu. Okay, va. Mullai land means forest only no. The important forest in Tamil Nadu is given see mangrove forest. Okay va. Pichavaram in Kudalur district. Pichavaram is a village name at Kudalur district. Second one, Malai forest. Okay va. And Nilgiri district. Next, reserve forests. In which district? Kanyakumari district. Next, Shola forests in Coimbatore and Nilgiris district. Okay, Mama, these are the forests in Tamil Nadu. Let us know they have given the manufactured products trees used to produce. In second tabular column, it is trees name. Okay, va. Using these trees, the first tabular column products and all they manufacture. What are all they? Paper. Paper manufactured in bamboo, Taila, Kudaivel. Okay, va. These trees only paper is manufactured. Next, safety matchsticks. Okay, va. Matchsticks no. That one. Ailai, Mul ila val. Okay, va. Mul ila va. Safety matchsticks is prepared in a tree. Ailai, Mul ilava. Okay, Vama. These two tree only safety matchsticks produced. Fragrance oil, sandal tree. Okay, va. Using sandal tree only fragrance oil is manufactured. Palm soap. Okay, va. Palm means thailam no. For headache and all we apply no. That one. As prepared in Ilupai, Neem, Pungan. Okay, va. These three. Now we move on to page number 141. Pichavaram forest, we have seen, no, forest in Tamil Nadu, mangrove forest. That picture and importance given, see, Pichavaram forest. Pichavaram is a village, I told you already, near Chidambaram in Kudalur district of Tamil Nadu, which is second biggest mangrove forest, tidal forest in India. It comprises of small vegetation, aquatic animals, etc. with moist temperature. What they have said, Pichavaram is a village near Chidambaram. Okay, wow. In which district? Kudalur district, Tamil Nadu. It is second biggest mangrove forest. At another name is tidal forest also. Okay, wow. Tidal means a regular rise and fall of the sea is known as tidal forest in the land, India. It comprises of small vegetation. Small vegetation means some crops and all will come there. Aquatic animals. Aquatic means fish, water living animals, etc. With moist temperature means ஈரமான வெப்பநிலை. ஓகேவா, moist temperature means ஈரமான வெப்பநிலை. ஓகேவா மேம். Now third one, ஓகேவா, field. Move on to third one, field. Marudam land. ஓகேவா, Marudam land. In a picture, see, the vast flat land on the earth is called plain. The crop fields and their surroundings were known as Marudam, the agricultural land and the area around it. Okay, what they have said, vast means large area, flat land on the earth is called plain. Crops, fields and their surrounding were known as Marudam. Crops, fields and all that surrounding is known as Marudam. Agriculture land and the area surrounded it. Okay, wow. That means agricultural land is seen as Marudam land. Okay, wow. First one theme, God, Indiran. Okay, wow. Next, people, Ulavar, Ulathiyar. Occupation, farming. Plant, flower. Kanji, Marudam, lotus, kuvalai. Animal, bird, buffalo, crane. Crane means cook. Okay, ma'am. Music, mullayal. Okay, ma'am. Now we move on to page number 142. See, Vendan, God we have said no. In page number 141, Indiran, Vendan. Next, farmers, lotus picture, Kuvalai picture is there. No, lotus is different from Kuvalai. Buffalo, crane. Crane I have said no, cook. Second one, the people and their occupation. Uran, that means small landlord. Uran means they have some small area of land. Small area of land owner is known as Uran. Ulavan means farm workers. Okay, in field work people is known as Ulavan. Kadayar, that means merchant. Merchant means vanigar. Okay, ma'am. The soil of Marudam land. The land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Alluvial soil means Vandalman is there, no more, that one. Next, amazing fact about Marudam. See, Kallanai is an ancient dam which is built across the Kaveri river in Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. Its length is 1779. Okay, wow. Its length is 1079 feet, width 66 feet and height 18 feet. It is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Okay, mama. It was built in Kallanai is an ancient dam built across the Kaveri river in Tanjavur district. Its length is 1079, width is 66 feet and height is 18 feet. Okay, mama. This is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Okay, mama. Now we recap Move on to page number 139. Mullai land. Okay, wow. Large area covered by tree is called forest. That forest is seen as Mullai land. Okay, wow. For Mullai, god is Thirumal. People Idayar, Idachiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Occupation is cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets. Plant and flower is Goa, Mullai flower. Animal, bird is bear, rabbit, parrot. Musical instrument is Mullayal. Okay, Mama. Now we move on to page number 140. The people and their occupation. Idayar means milk seller. Ayar means cattle rearer. The soil of Mullai land. Red soil. The stones and pebbles. Okay, Mama. Important forest in Tamil Nadu are mangrove forest, Malay forest, reserve forest, Shola forest. Okay, Mama. Now we move on to page number 141. Third one we moving field, Marudam land. Okay, wow. The vast flat land on the earth is called plain. Okay, wow. The crop fields and the surrounding were known as Marudam. Agriculture land is said as Marudam land. Okay, wow. For that god is Indiran Vendan. Okay, wow. People is Ulavar, Ulathiyar. Occupation is farming. Plant and flower is Kanji, Marudam, lotus, Kuvalai. Animal and bird is buffalo, crane. Music is Marudayal. Okay, wow. Music instrument is Marudayal. Now we move on to page number 142. Okay, wow. People and their occupation. Uran means small landlord. Ulavan means farm worker. Kadayar means merchant. Merchant means vanigar. Okay, Mama. The soil of the Marudam land, alluvial soil and red soil. Alluvial means Vandalman. Okay, Mama. I hope you understand the class. We will meet on next class. Thank you, Mom.